All right, today we have a really nice free lookup table named Moody stock. We're going to demo it in Photoshop here, but you can use this in any video editing software, including Final Cut Pro, CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, Premiere, and more. All right, let's get to it. Here's before and here's after. Before and after adds a lot of nice deep color. You can always adjust it in Photoshop or pretty much any of the video editing software. 72 looks great. I'll put a link down below so you can download and try. And if you're looking for more lookup tables like this, you can get the complete collection from Preset Pro. And I've loaded them in Photoshop here to demo. And these are some film emulation ones here. So we've got Fuji. Let's try, I think it was the X Pro film. And there we go. So you have different variations. There's a cool tone, nice warm tone, but I like the film one right here. And again, you can adjust it to fit your photo. There we go. All right, again, I'll leave a link down below for the free version of this preset, and I'll also leave a link to the complete lookup table collection. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.